As a CEO, your mindset shapes everything: your decisions, your team, and your business's success. But what happens when your beliefs are actually holding you back? Today, we're uncovering 7 toxic CEO beliefs that might be sabotaging your business and how to replace them with healthier, more productive mindsets. Welcome back to another episode of The Cozy CEO. Well, hey there. I'm Kimberly Ferguson, CEO and founder of The Emerald Edge. I'm so happy that you're here. The Emerald Corner is a place where owning a business means building a life you love, not sacrificing one. Today, we're tackling a big one, and that's toxic CEO beliefs. These are the mindsets that creep in and quietly derail your business and personal growth. Let's talk about how to recognize them and shift to healthier, more effective beliefs. Our first toxic belief: if I don't do it, it won't get done right. Have you ever said this? This belief keeps you trapped in the day-to-day operations of your business, preventing you from delegating and focusing on big picture strategy. It leads to burnout and it stifles your team's growth. Now, a healthier mindset would be: delegating empowers my team and strengthens my business. Start by identifying tasks that don't require your unique expertise and train your team to handle them. Trust takes time, but it's a crucial investment in scaling your business. Now, if this task is on the computer, I highly recommend that you do a screen capture of you actually doing the task. This is going to help your team and give them something to refer back to in the future, if they forget how to do the task. And if it's not on a computer, I highly recommend that you put together an SOP with the actual steps needed to complete the task. Same thing, it's going to give your team something to refer back to when they forget how to do it. Also, it allows you to keep control over the quality of the work without actually having to be the one doing the task. Now, our second toxic belief is: my worth is tied to how hard I work. Equating your value to your hours worked creates a cycle of overworking and exhaustion. It's a fast track to burnout, and it often means that you're prioritizing busyness over true productivity. Now, a healthier mindset would be: my worth is tied to the value I create, not the hours that I work. Focus on working smarter, not harder. Set clear goals, prioritizing high impact tasks, and make time for rest and recovery. It is also essential for your long-term success. Now, our third toxic belief is: I can't say no to opportunities. Saying yes to everything dilutes your energy and resources, making it harder to excel at what truly matters. Now, this leads to overwhelm and diminished focus on your core goals. A healthier mindset would be: saying no allows me to focus on what's most important. Get clear on your priorities and let them guide your decisions. Saying no to what doesn't align creates space for opportunities that do. Our fourth toxic belief is: success means never failing. Fear of failure stifles innovation and keeps you from taking calculated risks that could truly propel your business forward. It creates a perfectionistic mindset that's both unrealistic and truly limiting. A healthier mindset would be: failure is a stepping stone to success. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Reflect on what went wrong, make adjustments, and use the experience to improve. Growth comes from taking risks, not from avoiding them. Think of a successful CEO or someone that you admire in your life. I believe if you ask them, they will share with you the number of times that they failed. Maybe some of them, the number of businesses that they've had that have failed. Others will just share scenarios or ideas that they had in their business that failed. But I can promise you that if there's a successful CEO that you admire or look up to, they have failed a great number of times. Now, our fifth toxic belief is: I have to be available 24/7. Being constantly available blurs the line between work and personal life, leaving you drained and less effective as a leader. It sets a precedent that your time isn't valuable. Now, a healthier mindset would be: setting boundaries makes me a better leader. Establish clear work hours and communicate them to your team and your clients. Prioritize time for yourself and your loved ones. It's essential for maintaining balance and clarity. Now, our sixth toxic belief is growth means doing more. Believing that growth is about taking on more projects, clients, or tasks often leads to spreading yourself too thin and diluting the quality of your work. A healthier mindset would be growth means doing better, not just more. Focus on refining your processes, improving client relationships, and increasing efficiency. Sometimes scaling down can lead to scaling up in impact and profit. Now, our last toxic belief is asking for help is a weakness. Thinking you have to know it all and handle everything yourself isolates you and honestly limits your growth. No one can succeed alone. No one's ever done it. Trying to do so is only going to slow you down. Now, a healthier mindset is asking for help is a strength. Seek out mentors, advisors, or just a supportive network of peers. Collaboration and learning from each other are some of the most powerful tools for success. Your beliefs shape your reality. By recognizing and shifting toxic CEO mindsets, you can lead with clarity, purpose, and confidence. Well, thank you so much for spending just a few minutes of your day with me today. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.